Closing in on its target of study, NASA's Juno spacecraft is on the final approach to Jupiter after a 5-year journey through space. Just before noon EST on Friday, Juno was 5.5 million miles from its mark set for July 4, according to a release from Juno's team. Last week Juno began transmitting to and receiving data from Earth, keeping its NASA team updated within 10 minutes of the spacecraft's condition. If everything goes well, Juno will be placed into Jupiter's orbit on July 4, but there are some important milestones that need to happen in the next 10 days. As Juno approaches Jupiter, it will be moving faster than any other spacecraft in history at 165,000 miles per hour. The spinning spacecraft will need to slow way down to dive into orbit, otherwise it will fly right past Jupiter. To make this happen, the spacecraft will perform a pre-programmed reverse thrust rocket firing starting on June 28. The next day, all of Juno's instruments not vital to its July 4 appointment with Jupiter will be powered down. If it doesn't help us get into orbit, it is shut down, said Scott Bolton, Juno's principal investigator from the Southwest Research Institute in San Antonio. That is how critical this rocket burn is. This image above was taken by Juno Cam on June 21, 6.8 million miles from the gas giant. It's one of the last we'll see until after the spacecraft's arrival. To the right of center is Jupiter, and on its left are the planet's 4 largest moons, Europa, Io, Callisto and Ganymede. Juno's won't take any more images until 2 days after its arrival, when the spacecraft's optical camera is turned back on. Juno Cam images are expected to be released to the public beginning in late August and early September after they are downlinked and processed from the spacecraft. It is a great feeling to put all the interplanetary space in the rear-view mirror and have the biggest planet in the solar system in our windshield, said Rick Nibacken, Juno project manager from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. The spacecraft launched on August 5, 2011, from Cape Canaveral.